Alright, we're back in action. Rosso 2 is officially on the tire, mounted and balanced and ready to go on. So to save a lot of pain and frustration, I went ahead and took this little triangular file here and just kind of basically took the protection off of the socket, really is what I did. But it just makes it fit a little bit better. So if you rock around all these, either that, like if you should just go buy the right damn socket, but in my case, since I'm cheap and I already bought the wrong socket, but I can make it work. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna make it work. So. Obviously, that's not going to work. All right. There's 230. Looks like I'm gonna line up perfectly right there, which is awesome. The clip will snap right in there. So there we go. Clip went in there pretty easily. Some 242 and some anti-seize. I'm gonna go ahead and put anti-seize on these because obviously taking the tire off is gonna require this every time. So anti-seize will kind of keep it from binding and being so difficult to get on and off later. These little screws, I'm still going to put some 242 on them just simply because this bike rattles like crazy. And 242 does come out fairly easily, so to me it's worth it. So that's what I'll be doing. You don't need a lot. And I'm see, went on there fairly easily. Alright, and these are 22 Newton meter per the Ducati manual. Which is obviously not much. Okay, it's like nothing, but whatever. put a little, little dab of, one little dab be enough. I'm not gonna torque these, so I'm just barely tightening them like that. The Loctite should be just fine once it sits. I won't be riding the bike till tomorrow, so. The last 4 bolts will go in the back, which are quite the pain in the ass, but you'll see as you get them in, and pretty much it. Well, she's complete. Hopefully ready for at least another 5,000 miles.